was found in a guest or sales department. But it's okay because God made man on the 6th day. On the 7th he rested. And Joe would be purchased by 6 men in one night. Pay her sin tax so she can take care of her 7 problems left behind, with her behind.
But Jack fell down and broke his crown. Joe came tumbling after. Joe went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. But Jack fell down and broke his crown. Joe came tumbling after. Jack, my friend, why did you leave her? Joe, my
Joe went up the hill in search of holy
you're
water.
a believer.
Jack was broken crowns smashed by broken promises worn by legitimate kings. But regardless, she went tumbling after seasonal relationships with spoken for men. But it's okay because faithfulness is weakness in this matriarchal revolution. So Joe won't need companionship. Instead, she'll wake next to her holy herb and powdered happiness. And when it deserts her, she'll just find another hill to go up. Meet Jack, the boy with broken promises. Meet Joe, the girl who went tumbling after them.
Jack and Joe went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. But Jack fell down and broke his crown. Joe came tumbling after. Jack and Joe went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. But Jack fell down and broke his crown. Joe came tumbling after. She was waiting for you. Now she's tumbling down, 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 down. She was waiting for you. Now she's tumbling down, 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 down.
Woo! Which one is it? Ah! Ah! This stick was broken the entire time. I just could feel it. I was like, this thing's gonna break. And made it through the session! Yeah! My last take. I was like, this stick is gonna break. I can feel it. And then I was like, I don't know if you can see it in the camera or the take at all. I'm gonna try to find it for you. So there's a part that I kinda looked for my stick bag. And I realized thinking, oh no, it's fine, I'm going to be, because I mean these sticks have been with me when they look like that. They've looked like this for, they've looked like that for 2-3 months now. I've played rock, jazz, whatever, played all of that. The edge you're playing, hang in there. While I was doing this song, I don't know if you can see, but I was looking, and let's take a look. So, right there is my stick bag. That is my stick bag. Right there. That, right there, with all my sticks. That's it!